We're the only ones here.
Holy smell. They're so pretty.
They are pretty flowers. So you have to see who wins the challenge.
I'm totally gonna win. Oop, it's upside down.
It's upside down.
In this video, we're heading back to the Boswell Landing at Land Between the Lakes. This was the last place we stayed back in December of 2020.
Oh my God.
Because we were right in the path.
Holy smack.
Yeah, we're literally right in
I didn't realize how close we were until we came back in March. We chose to leave a day early on December 9th because of the impending bad weather. I'm so thankful that we decided to leave, since I'm not sure we would be here to talk about it if we chose differently. We're immensely grateful to be here and to be able to continue our travels across this beautiful country.
So, here we are, another beautiful day. We're going to go out trekking. We're going to take a trip to the Piney Campground, which is about 5 miles away, so it'll be a 10-mile round trip. This, fortunately, is our campsite, and we're the only ones here. Yeah, but there's our truck camper, and we're sitting pretty on the peninsula on a nice sunny day.
Better go, they're coming after us.
Yeah, here comes the helicopters.
Man, there's so many trees down. Wow.
But there are a lot of trees down. And they aren't just dead ones, we're alive. Forest Service actually cleared the road, so we got all the campgrounds are open. But now they got the job of getting all of this out of here. Yeah, the peninsula we were on, I'm sure got pretty heavy winds. Judging from the trees that are cut up in there too, but they're not as bad as this. This is really bad. So what we're doing is taking the Fort Henry trails. And since we had to backtrack a little bit, we had to go to a different area. So
We're going from Boswell to Piney Campground.
And we can't necessarily see the Fort Henry unless we got scuba gear on because it's in the middle of the lake.
Oh,
So
crunchy
it's evident that tree was hungry for a Post-it note. All right, so in the background you can see a nice looking, the way the sun's hitting it's kind of cool. So, yep, she's still welcome back there. She gets to stare at the back of my backpack this time. So. Oh my God, we could fall. It'd be a nice sledding hill though. Just start out and just make it all the way down there. It'd be an awesome sledding hill. Fortunately, it hasn't rained overly hard this past week, so we can get across here.
Yep.
And that one's easy. You don't have to get your feet wet. So.
Yep.
Right here, I'll just demonstrate. It's not very deep.
Did you just walk in the water?
Yes.
You goob.
Oh, look they planted flowers for us on the trail.
They're so pretty.
They are pretty flowers. First time I've seen that. Kind of cool. Here for a second. So we decided to make a stop. We're at Piney Campground. Basically, we neglected to buy some things, so we're going to see if they have it. They got a camp store here that's really big. This is like a 300 some odd campsite campground. You can see it in the background, the entrance and stuff, but they got a whole bunch of stuff. Basketball courts, kids' toys, that we can see anyway. I know there's more in the campground, but anyway, this is Piney.
We totally forgot that our microphones were on our backpacks, so let me get you the rundown. We just bought 2 dozen eggs and have to walk 6 miles back to our camper. So we decided to make it a challenge. The challenge is each of us have our own. Oh, he's going all out. Everybody, each of us have our own egg in our backpacks, and the question is, who is going to be able to make it without them breaking? The winner does not have to clean up the mess.
She whips out with her bag, a water bag.
Dry bag.
Dry bag. So she's going to put her egg in there. And hopefully, see, mine is at least protected. So you have to see who wins the challenge.
I'm totally going to win.
So this is another one of those. This is more of a dry creek bread that we got to get across.
Oh.
We're going to walk up here. And of course, we're going to see if Lori can scramble her eggs.
My legs are feeling a little shaky, but my arms are feeling excellent.
Yeah, she wanted to start the puns to begin with the eggs. So there you go. It's almost Easter. Why not? All right, so this is really the moment of truth. Who can make it down this slope and across this creek
Wow.
without cracking any eggs?
This drop is no joke. I'm telling you.
Made it without cracking any yolks.
Yep.
All right, so here we are back at the old homestead.
We made
Again,
it.
the only we've been gone all day, and we're still the only campers here. Get to enjoy this beautiful sunset. And we're back with our egg challenge. Let's see whose dozen eggs made it.
My eggs are shaken but not stirred.
Yeah, we'll just see if they're all scrambled. And there was no poaching in the making of this video. Dun, 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 dun. All right, moment of truth. I'm very nice. Oh, look at that
All of
pristine
these-
eggs.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
All right. Take these out.
I'll take it all off.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Dum, dum, dum.
Oop, it's upside down.
It's upside down.
Moment of truth. Ta-da!
Oh, is that a crack? No,
It
I
does
guess
look-
not.
it
Oh,
looks-
bummer. Both 2 dozen made it,
They
they-
look lovely.
but they made it all the way.
I got to turn our thing
So it was a tie on the
egg challenge.
on the egg challenge. We had a tie, so you know, nothing was broken in the making of this video.
Surprising.
All right, so here we are on a Sunday afternoon, joining this beautiful campground. So we're going to go on another trail today. It's called the Picket Trail. All right, and as you can see, we still got some snow on the ground. Not a whole lot, but just enough to
Make it pretty.
make it pretty, is what she says, yes.
Too many days in the darkness without
That
a glimpse of the light.
spattering of snow.
Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again.
You have to walk over water features.
Water features. That's a good way to put it.
With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. garden. You will grow to be tall. Staring
I don't know about you, I'm getting a little tired.
I'm fine. I'm ready to go another 5 miles. Yeah?
lift me up in your branches. We can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up shoulders.
Hey!
Every star. We are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again.
Boy, that's a problem.
Boy.
Come join us next week as we stay at Fall Creek Falls in Tennessee. And if you enjoy watching our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel.